still have battery left on our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and of course we are already paired with a new fitness application. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here again the Redmi Watch 5 Active, and on this video we are going to explore the different watch faces on our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and at the same time we are going to download additional watch faces. If there's an option for custom watch faces, we are also going to explore that. So if you are interested to see the different watch faces available for your Redmi Watch 5 Active, drop a comment below. And again, for those who are not yet subscribed, support our channel, like, share, and of course drop a comment below if you have any queries. Okay, so we are ready. Let's start. We still have battery left on our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and of course we are already paired with a Mi Fitness application. Okay, let me show to you. As you can see, we are connected. Before we dive into the watch faces, let's go and check first the available watch faces for our Redmi Watch 5 Active. It is preloaded already with several watch faces. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's around 4 watch faces. We have 1, 2, 3. We only have 3. Okay, so I stand corrected. It's not 4 but 3 watch faces. Okay, and some of the watch faces here do have an option to change the color, as you can see here. Edit. Okay, only the color changes. Then next, edit. Okay, as you can see here, you can change. So this one, you can change the data. We have the step counter, the calorie, and this one, I think it's the goal or something. Alarm, maybe. This one. Okay, so we have here only 3 watch faces, but it has a lot of options. Okay, then if you want an additional watch face, you can go to the support app, open the support app, and go to the manage band display. So this is our local watch faces. We have the step pace, dynamic data, and swirl. Online, we do have different categories here. Utility. Okay, these are the utility watch faces. I like this one. Let's download this one later on. We have the formal. Okay, let's go back again to the utility. Let's have a closer look. So it seems like there's a lot of options for the utility section. Okay, then we have custom. So this is the custom watch face or DIY watch face. We have at least 5 options here. We have workout. So what do you think of the watch faces? Okay, seems like it's not enough, but I think it's okay. And all. So all of the watch faces will be shown here. So we have different categories here. So let's go with the utility. Let's try and install this LCD feature here. So tap on the LCD feature, then apply. It's now installing the update. Applied successfully, and as you can see here, we have our watch face. Very fast so far. Okay, can we edit this? There's no option. Okay, let's see if it has added additional watch face in our smartwatch. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4. Let's add another one. Let's go with a workout. Okay, don't like the section for workout. Let's go with the formal section. Seems like the only good watch faces is in the utility. Let's gradient shift. Let's pick this one. A more lighter note. Installing update. Very fast so far. And we have it here. Okay, can we edit this? Yes, you can edit. Nice. Cool. Okay, very cool feature here for this one. Check. And we have it here. Okay. Do we have at least 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watch faces. Let's add another one. Let's see if we can add additional watch face. Okay, we already have 5. Let's tap on this one. Let's apply. Okay, applied successfully. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we can add at least 6. Another one. Chunky time. And apply. Okay, not enough storage space. Delete. So you can only add at least 6 watch faces. Okay. Again, I'm going to show it to you. Apply. Not enough storage space. Delete. What's the message? Installing update. I think you can only add 6. Delete some display and try again. Okay, go to the local section. Then let's delete. This is editable. Delete. Okay, deleted. Then let's go to the custom watch face. Custom watch face. Let's pick one. We pick an analog or digital. Let's pick this one. Album 4, custom photo. Let's pick our nice watch face here. Okay, we'll pick this one. Okay, this one is much better. Then continue. Then apply. So it is our custom watch face on our Redmi Watch 5 Active. And we have it here. So very easy to install. Very easy to download. And so far it is fast. No issues at all when it comes to watch faces. So that's it for our tutorial on the downloading watch faces for your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Hopefully, we answered your questions regarding the available watch faces for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. And so far, it has some good collections. Not that much, but I think it's okay. And for every watch face, there are some options to edit it, change the color, change the style for a single watch face. Okay, again, like, share, and subscribe. Please support our YouTube channel for smart watches. Bye.